Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Pinterest Forum. Now, this is a new community that Pinterest rolled out in March of 2020 where users of Pinterest can come together, collaborate, engage with each other, answer questions, and just talk about Pinterest and what's going on the platform. Now, to go ahead and access this community, you can simply go to community.pinterest.biz and it's going to take you to this page. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and sign in, but you need to be signed into your Pinterest profile to be able to connect this easily. So click on the sign in icon and you're gonna get this page to give access to the community for your Pinterest account. Go ahead and give access, guys, and wait a second or two for Pinterest to connect both accounts. So once you do, there you go, you're signed into your Pinterest forum. Now, once you're here, you want to go ahead and set up your profile. So click on my profile, and this is where you can go ahead and add an image for your profile because Pinterest is not going to bring your profile image from Pinterest onto the forum, so you need to add it in yourself. Now, as you can see, it has gone ahead and pulled in my username from Pinterest. But to go ahead and change your image, simply click on the avatar icon. And once you click on that, it's going to give you the option to upload an image from your computer. Simply click on that and upload an image to the forum itself. Once you're done with all of that, you want to go ahead and see what is going on in the forum so that you can begin to engage with other users. So you have the option here, guys, to go ahead and search for ideas or questions or whatever it is you want to find answers to and use it to go ahead and get results. But to go ahead and navigate the forum itself, you can choose the Discover tab to go ahead and see what's in the spotlight. And the spotlight just shows you which accounts and which profiles or blogs that they are actually featuring at the moment. And you can go ahead and read these, comment on them, and engage with them as well. So you can also head on over to the lounge, and this is where you can find the business chat and the creator chat. So if we go to creator chat, you're going to see what people are talking about within the forum. As you can see, people are asking questions, they're leaving replies, and you can like these, you can reply to them, and you can engage with other users. Now, these are all Pinterest users, and you can use this in a lot of ways to connect with other Pinterest users, get followers to your account, ask questions. And this is a very powerful tool that I think a lot of you need to get on to start getting answers to your questions about Pinterest. But one thing I find that I don't like about this forum is that it's very slow. It loads very slow depending on your device and also your internet connection. So next you have the trending discussion tab, and this is what's going to show you what's trending within the forum, that you can go ahead and join these discussions and engage with other users within the forum. They're also going to show you the top contributors of this forum. You can go ahead and view all of them. You can follow other users within the forum as well. So let's go ahead and check out the business lounge. This is where you're going to get a lot of different discussions going on, and they simply have more users than the creators lounge. So as you can see here, there are tons of topics that Pinterest users are finding difficult to solve, and they're asking questions here and they're getting answers by Pinterest staff themselves. As you can see, you have the top contributors here that you can go ahead and connect and engage with for better results with this forum. So I think this is an amazing tool, and this is something that Pinterest really thought out well, that their audience, their users needs a place to connect and to ask questions. And that's why they've created this community that all of us Pinterest users can come together on one platform to find answers to our questions, engage with other users, and just get value from the community. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you're going to go ahead and jump on into this forum right now while it is still new, so that you can get a head start and build a fan base, engage with other users, so that you can find some success on Pinterest. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay awesome until next time.